Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this super easy pop-out envelope under 10 minutes. Without any further ado, let's get started. Things you will need will be scissor, fevistick, pencil, razor, this cute little puncher, scale, and I have already cut the pieces required to make it. So the first one is the strip, which is 27 centimeter by 4.5 centimeters. This is 9.5 centimeter by 12.5 centimeter, and this black one will go under the red one. It is 10.5 centimeter by 13.5 centimeter. Now this yellow paper is the base of the envelope, which is 39 centimeter by 19 centimeter. We'll start with the base. We have to divide it in 3 equal parts of 13 cm. Keep the scale at 26 cm and then mark it 13 and 0 like I am doing. Now join the dots on both the sides and score it with a tool. I am using a scissor here. You can use any scoring tool you have. Fold the envelope, and now I'm marking at 1.5 and 17.5 centimeter on both the sides. Join the dots and score it again. Fold it inwards, and we will leave one part and cut along the lines for 2 parts like I am doing, and then cut 2 triangles on each side of the flap. Now comes my favorite part of decorating it. I am using this red floral paper for the opening of the envelope. I have used 10 mm round puncher here. Apply fevistick and paste it on paper. Cut the extras like I am doing. Now leave little space and cut along the line so it gives illusion of the border. Same I have done inside it. I needed to trim the edge so it folds flawlessly. Now I'm taking this cute yellow paper for the base, marking the size and pasting it. Yeah, I know I'm obsessed with decorating stuff. I've taken this half pearl sticker and a feather. Doesn't it look cute? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to Art Scoop. Take the strip and make 5 equal parts of 2 cm. Mark it 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 cm. Score it and fold it. Now take the message card, place it carefully on the center of the strip and paste it on the first box. Make sure you do it very neatly. Now comes the crucial part. Take the base of the envelope, place the message card on the center so that only the last three boxes are inside the base, like I am doing. Then leave the next two boxes and apply glue on the last one and paste it inside the base of the envelope without moving the message card. Do this very carefully. Make sure it is sticked properly or the trick here won't work. Now I am decorating the pull tab. I am using the heart cutouts and writing pull me. Oopsie, mind my head. Now the last thing we need to do is to apply the glue on the flaps and secure the envelope, and we're done.